me KristinCena, welcome to my channel, and also welcome to Lookfantastic February unboxing. Okay guys, first, how cute is the February Lookfantastic box? It is in this cute pink. I'm so excited to see what is in here, though I did have an idea on what's gonna be in the box. Now let's open the box. Woohoo! Lookfantastic Beauty Magazine. No way. Next month, I'm so excited for the next because I can see it from the sneak peek. And of course, in every Lookfantastic boxes, we're gonna receive Elle magazine, and for this month, we have Jordan and Friends as the cover. By the way, for those who do not know, Lookfantastic is a subscription box. It's available, I think, in international. It's from the UK. It costs £15, if I'm not wrong, 13 to 15 pounds, and in Australian dollars it is in $20 plus $7 shipping fee, but I believe they have a free shipping fee in various places. Just check your place. Now time to really see what's in here. Lots of goodies. Oh. Okay, so let's find out what is in here, but first, okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so first, I know this is the Sleek Makeup Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette. So this is their hero product. This is what I've been waiting for since the last Lookfantastic unboxing that I did in this channel. Just look at that, guys. It's so pretty. Ooh, just look at that. It's so pretty. What are these? I think this is like a blush and then a highlight and also a contour. Now let's try this one out, guys, and really see. Let's complete our look. I'm just wearing foundation and that. So okay, so let me just put a little bit of contour. I'm not good at it, but let's just put a little bit here. Give it a little bit of definition. Let me use the blush. This is really like reddish or pink. And it's also a little bit shimmery. So let me put it on my face. Oh, it really has a shimmer. I am not a fan of shimmer because it actually kind of emphasizes the texture of my face, and I don't have that really flawless face. Next is the highlight. This is actually, I'm using the Lookfantastic brush. It's exclusive to Lookfantastic. Wow. The contour is not really giving so much payoff. The blush is so powdery, like I can see now some of the powder is already on the highlighter, but the highlighter is really nice, though not really so much fan of a highlighter. But yeah, that's the Sleek Makeup. I wonder how much this is. I'm gonna be putting the prices at the end of this video. Now we have here Lord & Berry Maxi Matte lipstick. So this is a Korean lipstick, guys, and it says here in the beauty magazine, it says that you just line it up and put on lipstick. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it all over my lips, and it actually says that you can use this as a blush as well. How pretty is that? I love the application. This is in shade Intimacy. I like it because it just glides so smoothly on my lips. But by the way, I also put a balm on my lips before this, and it's really sticking on really nice on my lips. And I love that this pink color. It's more of like pink and red, and it's good. I'm not so fan of pink because it wouldn't look pretty nice on my complexion. I love it. Thank you. We have here Douce Punk Volumizer Mascara. I'm so sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand. It's Douce or Duce or something. So it's really good that they gave this mascara. I love mascara. And another thing is they gave this eyelash curler. This is Imite. Why are the brands so hard to pronounce? Imite Rose Gold Eyelash Curlers. Yay! My curler is, I have here a curler. This is the e.l.f. and kind of not a fan of this one, so we'll see if this would work on my lashes. Looks really nice too. I can already feel the difference. I can really say that I like this than my e.l.f. one already. So now it's time to put this volumizing mascara. It is volumizing. I mean, it's looking natural on the first layer, but on the second layer it gave a little bit more volume, but it's not crazy volume for me. And I also like that it doesn't really clump the lashes, which is good. It's not too wet, if that makes sense. Loving this one. I do hope it would stay on for a long time. Okay, so this is now the look. I also forgot to mention, guys, that the sleek makeup face form is in light, in case you're thinking. And also the blush, as I looked on my cheek, it is pink, but it also has a golden sheen to it when you move. So it's kind of like a highlighting blush for me. We have here Kingsley Maximizer. This maximizes volume, body, and bounce for fine, limp, and fly away hair types. This is it, guys. This is 60 ml, which is pretty decent to try out. Spray onto the roots for lift or throughout lens for overall volume. Gently blow dry for maximum volume. It's kind of having a powdery scent. Now for the last one is this really cute Erno Lazlo Exfoliate and Detox Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. I'm not a fan of bar. Like, personally, I prefer when I shower, I have a shower gel, not soap. Not like soap bar. This is so cute. It's really a mini. It's looking like a mini. I'm not sure if this is a sample or like a travel size. Sea mud. That's really interesting. What's this scent? I don't like this. That completes this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And those are the 6 items that I received from Lookfantastic February 2019. I loved everything, and I appreciate it that there's a lot of cosmetics rather than skincare, because I already had so many skincare. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a huge thumbs up, and also comment what you think about this month's box. See you guys next week. Bye.